Asus Zenbook S14 Copilot Plus PC. Asus Zenbook S14 Pros. Transcendent battery life. A purposeful use of space. Lovely, surprisingly large OLED screen. Great audio. The Asus Zenbook S14 is a potent lightweight laptop that allows you to work over a day without a charge. Asus Zenbook S14 specifications. Model number UX5406. Display 14-inch 2880 by 1800 touchscreen OLED up to 120 Hz. Processor Intel Core Ultra 7258V, 8 cores, 8 threads. Graphics Intel Arc. NPU yes, 47 TOPS. Memory 32GB LPDDR5X integrated. Storage 1TB NVMe PCI 4.0 SSD. Power supply Type-C, 65W AC adapter. Asus chose a 14.0-inch, 3K, 2880 by 1800 touch OLED panel with refresh rates up to 120 Hz for use with the Zenbook S14. The display is rated for 500 nits HDR peak brightness. Asus has added a pair of Thunderbolt 4 ports to the left side of the chassis, next to an HDMI 2.1 port. Asus has also included a single USB-A port on the right side, with a 3.5mm audio jack. It's a nice mix of ports, able to accommodate an external display and mouse without the need for an optional Thunderbolt dock or USB-C hub. The keyboard includes 3 levels of backlighting. Backlit Chiclet keyboard, 1.1mm key travel, precision touchpad with Copilot key. FHD camera with IR function to support Windows Hello. Battery 72 WES 2S2P for cell Li-ion. If you're looking for a long-lasting laptop that's light and slim, the Asus Zenbook S14 is a great option to consider.